Tired of starting your design from scratch every time you need a different size? You're not alone. Whether you're transforming your Facebook post into an Instagram story or resizing your flyer for print, it can be a real time saver to repurpose your designs. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Canva and show you exactly how to effortlessly transform your designs from one size to another. Get ready to save time and create stunning visuals for any platform. We'll demonstrate 2 effective methods to transform your Facebook post into an Instagram-sized masterpiece. First, we'll guide you through the process as a Canva free user. Then, we'll showcase the power of Canva Pro by utilizing its built-in magic resize feature. Create a new Canva design and select the YouTube thumbnail size, which is 1280 720 pixels. The original Facebook post is in landscape format, measuring 940 x 788 pixels. Copy the background of the original design and paste it onto the new YouTube thumbnail design. Copy the background design elements, such as shapes or patterns, and paste them onto the new design. Identify and group visual elements into blocks to maintain their original alignment and aspect ratio during the transfer process. Copy and paste these grouped elements onto the YouTube thumbnail, positioning them roughly according to the original design. Refine the placement and size of the transferred elements to achieve the desired look and feel of the original design within the YouTube thumbnail post format. To access Pro user features, click the Resize and Magic Switch button in the menu bar. Choose YouTube thumbnail and click Continue. Click the Copy and Resize button. Lastly, click the Open YouTube Thumbnail button. Fine-tune your design by adjusting and aligning the elements to match the original look and feel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.